In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in HubSpot. We'll start right from your HubSpot home. Make sure you're logged into the right account and you can see the main navigation across the top. If your view looks a little different, don't worry. HubSpot sometimes updates the interface, but the path is the same. From the top navigation, move your cursor over the marketing menu to reveal more options, then click Email. This takes you to your email dashboard where all of your marketing emails live. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the message you want to work on. You can filter by status, like draft or scheduled, to narrow it down. Once you've located the email you want to update, click Edit. That opens the email editor, where you can see your layout, modules, and content. Give the page a second to load if you have a lot of assets in the template. Inside the editor, simply click the image you want to modify. As soon as you select it, a settings panel appears on the side, showing controls tailored to that image. You'll typically see options to replace the image from your file manager, adjust the size or width, set alignment, add or update alt text, and optionally link the image to a URL. If your design uses padding or spacing, you'll also see controls to fine-tune how the image sits within its module. A few quick tips as you make adjustments. Use descriptive alt text so screen readers can convey the meaning of the image, and so subscribers who block images still understand your message. Keep proportions locked when resizing so the image doesn't appear stretched or squashed. If load speed is a concern, choose a reasonably compressed file. Lighter images help emails open faster. And if your template has mobile styles, check how the image scales down so it stays crisp and readable on smaller screens. When you replace an image, the preview updates right in the editor so you can confirm the fit and alignment immediately. If your team works with a shared file manager, keep naming consistent and store images in clear folders so they're easy to find later. For brand consistency, match your image dimensions to the surrounding modules and maintain a uniform style across your email. That's all there is to it. Start at your HubSpot home, head to Marketing and Email, open your email by clicking Edit, and then click the image you want to refine. From there, the side panel gives you everything you need to make precise, polished changes. Thanks for watching and happy editing.